But I want to talk to you a little bit about superintelligence, just a bit, because that is obviously where this field is headed. This is obviously what's being built here. And the thing about superintelligence is that it will be different qualitatively from what we have. And my goal in the next minute to try to give you some concrete intuition of how it will be different so that you yourself could reason about it. So right now we have our incredible language models and they're unbelievable chatbots and they can even do things, but they're also kind of strangely unreliable and they get confused while also having dramatically superhuman performance on evals. So it's really unclear how to reconcile this. But eventually, sooner or later, the following will be achieved. Those systems are actually going to be agentic in a real ways, whereas right now, the systems are not agents in any meaningful sense. That might be too strong. They're very, very slightly agentic. Just beginning. It will actually reason. And by the way, I want to mention something about reasoning, is that a system that reasons, the more it reasons, the more unpredictable it becomes. The more it reasons, the more unpredictable it becomes. All the deep learning that we've been used to is very predictable because if we've been working on replicating human intuition, essentially. It's like the gut feel. If you come back to the 0.1 second reaction time, what kind of processing we do in our brains? Well, it's our intuition. So we've endowed our AIs with some of that intuition. But reasoning, and you're seeing some early signs of that, reasoning is unpredictable. And one reason to see that is because the chess AIs, the really good ones, are unpredictable to the best human chess players. So we will have to be dealing with AI systems that are incredibly unpredictable. They will understand things from limited data. They will not get confused, all the things which are really big limitations. I'm not saying how, by the way, and I'm not saying when. I'm saying that it will. And when all those things will happen together with self-awareness, because why not? Self-awareness is useful. It is ourselves are parts of our own world models. When all those things come together, we will have systems of radically different qualities and properties that exist today. And of course, they will have incredible and amazing capabilities. But the kind of issues that come up with systems like this, and I'll just leave it as an exercise to imagine, it's very different from what we are used to. And I would say that it's definitely also impossible to predict the future. Really, all kinds of stuff is possible. But on this uplifting note, I will conclude. Thank you so much.